Best streaming settings for OBS. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also looking for some best OBS streaming settings, so here's what you can do. Just head over to your settings by simply opening OBS Studio, and now from the left section simply select stream and make sure you have selected the any of the platform where you want to stream. You can choose from Twitch or YouTube or any other. So once you do all of that, now simply head over to the output section and make sure you have selected the streaming section from over here, that is the streaming tab, and just follow along with me. So for the audio section, you can just go for any of the audio like MP3 or AAC, and under this encoder settings, just head over to the rate control and make sure it's on CBR, and if it's on CBR, just enable the bitrate to up to 2500 kb per second, or you can also increase it. So if you have kept on CBR, you can just go for that. And for the CPU usage, you just have to select very fast and click on apply and click on OK. And again, I was talking about the audio streaming settings, so you can just enable it to. So let me just quickly show you once again. So just head over to settings once again and just head over to the audio section, and you can also actually see the audio. So just make sure you have selected the correct microphone for mic and speakers for the external speakers option, and just click on OK. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.